Yeah, guys, property series by Gilbert, just trying to showcase the potential of neighborhoods in Kenya. And today we're in Kiambu, Ruiru sub-county, Kenya, Africa, guys. This vast land, guys. This probably a quarter an acre land that could fit you for your residential home or residential apartment or a light industry. Maybe you want to make construction material, just set up a hardware. There's a place you can do, guys. And see, guys, transport well catered for. These are the cars that work here. Guys, look, some are doing farming, horticulture, bananas. Guys are kind, they can look, helping each other. Yeah, if you're looking at a place to invest in land, especially residential plots or commercial plots, this land is touching some of guys. This is a place you can set up a light industry or just do your flat of apartments which you can rent out to your business people. Yes, look at the kind of cars here. BMWs, it tells you the top 10% are within the area. Network quite good, you can see the mass.